Mabuhay! My name is Crizel and I'll be your Tagalog tutor. I am thrilled to be part of your journey into learning the Tagalog language. I have a solid background of both the language and the culture of the Philippines because I myself is a Filipina born and raised in the Philippines. And I have a passion for teaching Tagalog to students like yourself who are eager to learn and appreciate this beautiful language. During our sessions, my goal is to help you grasp the foundational aspects of Tagalog, build confidence in speaking, and ensure you understand how to use words and phrases correctly. Together, we'll embark expanding your proficiency in Tagalog from everyday conversations to a deeper comprehension of written materials in Tagalog. Let's embark on this exciting journey of learning Tagalog together. Mabuhay!